Hi Kelly, I have the LG dishwasher making the high-pitched noise. I've now replaced the water inlet valve and entire motor assembly and still the noise persists. Any ideas? As I sit here typing, it's whistling away. It's currently on a normal cycle with 53 minutes left. Sounds like the arms are spraying water, if that helps.
Hello, my name is did not give a model number from the dishwasher tag. Here is some information on whistling while operating. If you need further assist, I am glad to help and would request a model number from the dishwasher tag. Thank you.
Hi Missy, thanks for the reply. The model number is... Missy, I ran my dishwasher last night and just opened the door and noticed that the soap dispenser door apparently did not open, as there is unused dishwashing detergent running down the inside of the door. Hope this symptom helps.
I have a test mode I am sending in a link. Can you please run it and test me what the results are? Also, I am sorry for the delay. Have a bad day yesterday.
Hi Melissa, I'm really sorry you had a bad day. No worries, I hope you're better. I ran through the codes and I hear the noise when I put a load on the drain pump. It sounds like the pump is trying to start, then gets stuck, then spins a bit and gets stuck, etc. Almost like if you were to spin a motor and then grab it with your hand and it binds. So it's a bad drain pump?
It could be. However, today's drain pumps do not continuously drain, they pulse drain. That is to let some food particles sink in order to flush them out of the dishwasher. It could be that there is food causing the sound that is trapped in the pump, or it could be you got one of the pump, the shafts has separated from the pump. Do you want to remove it and check it for debris in the pump? Let me know what you need info to do that.
Yeah, that's what my drain pump does. You can hear it switch on to drain before the washer switches cycles, and that's when the noise happens. My wife informed me while I was gone she had a repairman work on the dishwasher as it wouldn't drain, and she said he pulled something out of the drain pump, so maybe whatever got stuck in there messed up the pump. I know how to pull it, so I'll pull it and check for debris and report back. Thanks.
Okay, I will do all I can to assist you, thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.